In this video, we're comparing Motion versus Microsoft Planner. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Ease of use and setup. Microsoft Planner is quick to grasp. Open it, create a plan, add buckets, and drag in task cards. It's clean, visual, and ready to use immediately, especially if you're already in Microsoft 365. The downside is it only shows you what to do, leaving you to decide when to do it. Motion takes longer up front. You'll connect your calendar, set work hours, add deadlines, and choose task durations. The reward? Your day is instantly built with meetings and tasks balanced automatically. Verdict? Planner is best if you want to start working within minutes. Motion is better if you want your schedule planned for you from the start. Design and customization. Planner keeps things straightforward. Boards are simple, tasks can be color-coded, and buckets can be named however you like. It's easy to read and navigate, but deeper visual customization isn't an option. Motion skips heavy visuals and focuses on workflow. You control how your schedule runs, set priorities, decide task flexibility, and tell the AI how much freedom it has to adjust your day. Verdict? Planner is ideal if you like a clean visual board. Motion is for those who care more about how their time is organized than how it looks on screen. Features and functionality. Planner keeps teams on the same page. You can assign tasks, add checklists, set deadlines, and track progress. But it doesn't schedule your time. You'll need another tool like Outlook to handle calendars and meeting planning. Motion makes scheduling the core feature. Add a task, set its duration and deadline, and the AI finds the best time for it. If your day changes, Motion automatically shuffles your schedule so nothing slips through the cracks. Verdict? Planner is a great task tracker. Motion is a hands-off time manager that keeps your day running without extra efforts. Pricing. Planner comes included with Microsoft 365, so there's no additional cost if you already use Outlook, Teams, or OneDrive. Motion offers a 7-day free trial. After that, it's $29 a month for individuals or $19 per month for teams billed annually. The higher the plan, the more AI scheduling power you get. Verdict? Planner is the obvious winner on price. Motion's real value is in the hours and mental effort it saves over time. Support and reliability. Planner has Microsoft's full backing, 24/7 live chat, phone, and email support, plus an extensive help center and active user forums. Uptime is extremely reliable. Motion provides live chat and email help, along with easy-to-follow guides and tutorials. While dependable, it can't match Microsoft's global network and round-the-clock availability. Verdict? Planner wins for large-scale, always available support. Motion is better if you prefer quick, personal responses from a smaller team. Extra perks and unique features. Planner's key advantage is integration. It works seamlessly with Microsoft 365 tools like Outlook, Teams, and OneDrive without extra setup. Motion's standout is its AI engine, which not only schedules tasks, but also rearranges them automatically when priorities shift. Verdict? Planner is simple, familiar, and budget-friendly for teams that want a basic task board and smooth integration with Microsoft apps. Motion is proactive, planning, and adjusting your day so you can focus entirely on getting things done. If you want to organize, choose Planner. If you want to execute, choose Motion. All right, I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.